What? Grabe, nag-goosebumps ako. Wow, grabe, nakaka-tense.
Gamitin natin yung imagination mo and
Imagination.
creativity. So,
Okay.
mag-create ka ng bagong business name. Ano yung product mo? Yan. Ano yung product? Sino yung model mo? Envelope, nandito na yan mula kanina bago tayo mag-umpisa and tinanong kita ng mga questions. Commander Nene, pwede mo bang basahin sa amin?
Wow, OMG. Wow, magic kasi. That's scary. I want to share the platform with artists, maybe through app. I believe also in gardening, foods, so I get... What? Grabe, nag-goosebumps ako. Wow, grabe, nakaka-tense. It's wow, magic. Ang galing mo, swear. Alam mo, literally napapasigaw ako ngayon. As in, sobrang ano,